We're going to take a quick look at grips. Here I've drawn a straight line, a rectangle using the rectangle command, and a circle. If I'm not in any command and I click on an object, there you'll see little blue squares. Those are called grips. Okay, allow us to modify this particular entity. Okay, notice on a line I'll get the two endpoints and the midpoint. If I click on the midpoint, you'll see it turns red, and then if I click it with the left button, okay, it allows me to move it around. If I take, for example, this top one, see there's stretch and lengthen. Okay, if I just click on it, okay, I can move it, and this bottom one will stay where it's at. I can also stretch it, and I can move this one here. Okay, now I hit escape and I click on the rectangle. Now you'll notice I have the four corners and then the midpoints. Okay, now if I have this highlighted like that and I come over here and I right click, I can erase it, I can move it, I can copy it, I can scale it, I can rotate it. So if I pick copy selection, okay, it automatically copies what I had and asks me for a base point. So if I say this is the base point here and I want to copy one right up to there, I can type in the displacement, which is at, so be relative from that last point, 5, 5. Okay, and hit enter, and now I've copied it there. I can do the same with move. Okay, if I take and click on that, now this time if I take it from the midpoint, okay, I can stretch it here, I can stretch it here, and I can stretch it there, whatever I want. Hit escape. On a circle, if I click it, you'll notice that I have the four quadrants and the center. If I pick the center, allows me to move the circle around. If I grab one of the quadrants, allows me to make it smaller or larger. Now notice when I do that, I can also pick a base point. Okay, so I could say here, for example, here, take a base point, B for base point, pick a new base point, and now I can pick a stretch point from there, or I can put a number in there. Okay, so grips can be handy for moving things and copying things very quickly.